Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader. Wednesday night, May the 18th. These are the charts of the day. Plenty of good-looking charts. I had a tough time narrowing it down tonight, so that tells me that things are on the move again, and we may not be dead yet. We'll see. ADI, Analog Devices, had a key breakout on 10 million shares today, up 237 to 42.60. Traded as high as 43.28. Backed off a little bit, but still convincing price volume surge through this key level of resistance here. And at this point, I would not be surprised to see this at 47.48. That's my trading target. AVEO, wanted to point out how strong this has been, and again up another 69 cents on $500,000 today. The momentum is very strong to the upside. However, it is a bit ahead of itself here. Maybe short-term overbought. But you can see the strong momentum breaking out of this flag here. The stock continues to go higher. Wouldn't shock me to see low 20s on it. Avanir, AVNR, had a big thrust today of 5.75% on 17.5 million shares. A lot of share trading on this one. Up 24 cents to 442, and just 3 cents a nickel off the high. So we're going to be testing 460 shortly, and you can see from the long-term pattern, this is a key 52-week time resistance level. A move through that could get us as high as somewhere in the, let's call it 6.25 level. That's my short-term target. Calix, one of our swing trades, had a very good day today, popping 87 cents or 4% on 545,000 shares, and closed about a 19 cents off the high. But still, the key to today was that we moved through this lateral price resistance and maybe on the verge of a breakout here that could take this into the high 20s. CNTF, continuing strong momentum, which we've shown you over the last several sessions. Today up another 47 cents on 1.5 million, 7.5%, but right at that target at 6.75. I showed you a few days ago. So let's just say it's achieved our short-term target and could back off. However, on an intermediate basis, $10 is in my sights. GTXI also continues motoring higher, although only up a penny today, kind of stalled in this area. You can see 4 consecutive days closing in the same range. Nice consolidation without giving up too much price progress, and at the same time continuing to trend maybe towards the 6.75, 7 range. My next target on GTXI. We do have a overhead resistance level around 7.75, so let's set that as our secondary target. 690 and 7.75 GTXI. LXU. Now that had a nice pop today of $1.93 and may have broken out of its little mini flag that it formed here. I'm looking for the stock to make it up towards the $51 area of my trading target. Beautiful rising channel, good technicals. MAKO. Yesterday we showed you the big pop. Today up another $1.20 and 1.33 million shares traded. At this point, if you can continue to move higher here, I wouldn't be shocked to see the stock at 33. That's my trading target for MAKO. NEOP. Now this stock on 1.75 million shares went up 13 cents today, just 2.5%, but stuck its head out above resistance. And the way this looks, if this is the beginning of the move and we get some volume here, we can see a real strong thrust that takes us into the high 7s, maybe $8 range. Photronics, PLAB, 2 nice days in a row, another up 44 cents or 5% on 2 million today. You're going to have to get this through 10, 10, 15. If it does that, target 12.5 for it. Real D jumped 99 cents or 3% today, but basically moved to a new all-time high. And the way it looks now, this thing may be headed towards 40. That's the top of the long-term channel I've drawn in here. So that's your trading target for Real D. SREV broke out today out of the little wedge we showed you was forming. Although it did get up to 20.30 and backed up to 19.25, it's still up 66 cents or 3.5%. Now let's see what it does tomorrow and whether we get an additional follow-through, but I wouldn't be surprised to see 22, 22.5 for SREV, maybe higher. And that's it for tonight. Those are your ideas for today on the long side, and we'll catch you tomorrow night. Bye-bye.